Welcome to this tutorial on the Chime Cardless ATM withdrawal process. This guide will walk you through the step-by-step process of withdrawing cash from an ATM without using your physical card. First, ensure you have the Chime mobile app installed on your device and that you are enrolled in the Cardless ATM withdrawal program. If you are not enrolled, you can do so by logging into your Chime account and navigating to the ATM map section of the app. Next, locate a cardless-enabled ATM near you using the Chime ATM map. Not all ATMs support cardless withdrawals, so it is essential to verify that the ATM you choose is compatible. Once you have found a compatible ATM, open the Chime mobile app and select the Cardless ATM withdrawal option. You will then be prompted to enter the amount you wish to withdraw. After entering the amount, you will receive a unique 8-digit code that is valid for a short period. Proceed to the ATM and select the cardless withdrawal option on the screen. Enter the 8-digit code you received from the Chime app, and then select the account you wish to withdraw from. The ATM will then dispense the cash, and you will receive a confirmation on your Chime app. To ensure a smooth transaction, make sure you have sufficient funds in your account and that your Chime app is updated to the latest version. It is also essential to keep your device and Chime account secure to prevent unauthorized access. In conclusion, the Chime Cardless ATM withdrawal process is a convenient and secure way to access your cash without needing your physical card. By following these simple steps, you can enjoy the benefits of cardless ATM withdrawals and manage your finances on the go. Remember to always prioritize security and keep your account information confidential.